Hello, today I'll be showing you how to install and update games on Steam. So click on a game that you would like to update and click on Properties. Then click on Updates. Here you can manage if you want it to automatically update every time you open Steam. Under the local files, you can click Verify integrity of game files to see if the game has an update, and it will automatically install for you. You can also go to the Steam settings, click on Downloads and play around with the settings and match them to your liking. To install a game, just simply go to the store and click on it. Here you can just search for any game. Then just scroll down until you find Play Game. Then just click Next and then Finish. Now when you go to your library, it will see that it is started downloading. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe.